nechi nyingi Nyasaye tigase ni enkoro yoyo minto Elijah aipumusishe kwa amani. Lakini kama kuna mwenye akona information na anatuficha, Mungu amuangalie. Tumelia tuatantanire lakini tuasinyirwe wanchira nange Elicha tayo. Speaker, asante kwa kazi ambayo umeifanya. Mungu akubariki kwa kutuleta pamoja na kuhakikisha harusi ya mwenzetu imekuwa salama. Mungu akubariki na kutie nguvu. Family tunawaombea. Abantu bamintege ntumura akorere nyuma tutaraenda siasa. Ntumura akorere family yo Osiemo na masabo. Nyasaye karanso nugusabira abana bo Osiemo. Wasebuke. Asante.
Thank you, Deputy Speaker. And also I stand here to give tribute to my leader of majority. It came too soon because this man I met along the political line, and we just bonded. He has been my mentor, though I was his leader. And little did I know that we did the Last Supper together. Na alioda 5 chickens that were alive. Akasema chingoko chire live. I drove him to the hotel. Tukakula. His Excellency was there. Sikuwa najua that was the last meal we were to do together. He was in a very jovial mood. We lack words that we can cry for this gentleman who is laid down here. And I remember when I got to office, he just came to my office very early in the morning. And I told him we have to summon ourselves on a round table and do one thing. We are all young, and we must change the face of how politics has been done in the count and across the divide. We said we have a legacy to leave, and I want to confirm here with all the honorable members that the effort we have lost, it will take long to replace. And we were just joking the other day. Tokabora niga, elicho usirira bono. Tihango toraligelia waheshimiwa tuwatigara 34, toraligingo urabe majority leader. Tokaanso yo maso yo. Tokaikabaka number 34, tokaboru omuntu okabe majority leader because the qualities were very exceptional. Kyomosacho yo raira. We'll have a lot to mourn about this man. But with the family, we want to thank you. Doreen, you know how we used to share with Mheshimiwa. And it's very unfortunate on the very fatal day, nilimpigia simu at that time when he was dying. It was 4:11 p.m. And I was just in the house all morning, so tired. Ikafika saa 10:11. And we had not shared on Sunday. Nikasema aja nimpigie simu. I called him the first time. Simu ilikuwa engaged. Nikarudia the second time. That's 4:12. Haikuingia. Usually when I call somebody the second time, simu yangu huwa inaingia. Ikakataa kuingia. So emotions zikanipanda. Embeogete kangichirobo ngobwa nenga bolinga naki inkie simu yetali kosohera. I called the third time. And I called the fourth time. I called the 50th time within 1 minute. Tirina kelia gatoto enkoro ya nega tulia. 8 minutes down the line, nikapigiwa simu with one of the honorable members. Uyo lenge conscious. Agante bitogo tokonya. Nkaimukera habu, and that's how I found the lifeless body of my party laying in a mortuary. Abantu bami ntonche na aliko batebiga. Tusabere amateye nenke. Umamuro tuwa siridi na abuata amaroro. And by the way, in that last meeting, Your Excellency, igajataga antebinga 2027, igataete kobe deputy governor. Agante yomonene ningo siete. Ngamabolinga kiora be deputy governor. Agaja with the facts on the table. Nkia konyora numbers. Abe a running mate yomundu. Ngamote your dreams are valid. Ekatuwa korono kutano na governor. Agante yaganto kalininga taete. Ochombo gatesi. Ngamote you have all my blessings. Oyo no monto olenge very visionary. omonto olenge kam. We have always known that politics is for push and a pull, but never a single day you can abuse a leader of majority na inda akoiraniria. So we are mourning a great man. But one writer said that a good story cannot be told by the length of its biography, nor the number of pages in that story, but it's the content in that story. And I was told that a good story usually leaves you in suspense. The good story is Honorable Elijah Osiemo. The time we wanted to read the story of Elijah, unfortunately left the stage. But we salute the king, we let him rest. Nimetaba heshimiwa, mwakolere gasengia. Viongozi MNCP from Kisii County, from the national government, abagavana baito, we have all mourned this great hero. Family to abatiere nyasaye abenainwe. Ebintu byonsi bi Elijah, and they shared with me 100%. I called Bonnie and to the family, nkaibeka amo, nkalia abantu bali bonsi, because Elijah probably must have known. Tera na moto yatinga toli ndagera asite, agante itinko lindagera abu, ubuke mabuane, tinko nyara na bora nyoro muntu gantegerete, andi muri estima, naba kuane teiko. Estimeye ya limit. But then I want to console you korua sige tabu kia Job 14:5 kego tebanga kero muntu amatukaye gabalira sobo ikubwense nemetienyi yomubaro bwamatukaito nyasawo nyikikire obekire chimbebe tutanyare gutambuka litukolie laicherie igete egento gyuka nyasato bisete. Our day is coming, but we don't know how it will come.